Welcome back to Raji's Cooking Show. Today we are making a delicious and healthy oven-baked herb-roasted chicken that is juicy, flavorful, and packed with protein. This recipe is perfect for healthy family dinners and easy meal prep. Let's get started. Here are our fresh and wholesome ingredients and the calorie chart. Portion control is very important. First, let's prepare our fresh herb marinade. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup lemon juice, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 3/4 cup freshly cut parsley, 1 tablespoon sea salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now coat the chicken pieces really well so every piece gets full flavor. Now coat the chicken pieces really well so every piece gets full flavor. Place the chicken skin side up in a baking dish and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, turning the chicken twice while cooking. Now uncover the dish, increase the temperature to 375 degrees, and bake for another 30 to 45 minutes until the skin turns beautifully golden brown. And there it is, our healthy oven-baked herb chicken. Juicy, tender, and full of flavor. Serve it hot and enjoy. If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video so more people can enjoy healthy cooking. Thank you for watching Raji's Cooking Show.